Hey guys, and welcome and test and review. Today we're gonna review women's HOFF shoes, even though we have some New Balance here. But yeah, let me just put this on the side and I'll comment why is this shoe here and why is this product review cat here. Come on, Gigi, say something. Okay, let's leave Gigi alone. So today we're going to review some women's HOFF shoes, which are brand new in the box. They're called Santa Monica, Santa Barbara or something like that. They're brand new, they look very nice, and the HOFF brand is getting very popular these days, so I wanted to present them, unbox them for you, so you can take a closer look at the shoes. Inside you have a very nice black sleeve, which feels quality made, unlike some other cheaper shoes that had such sleeve in the box. This feels quality, and inside we have the brand new shoes from HOFF. This is a woman's model, girl's model, and here on the back you can see HOFF, and they look very nice, very fresh, with bright colors, with some leather pieces here and there, with very nice shoe. It feels solidly made, very interesting bottom part. Again, we have the HOFF brand here, so it looks very fresh for the summer, even though it's not very lightweight shoe, and also it's not the thinnest, but still I believe most of the consumers are going to use this in the colder days in the summer. So this is one of the shoes. Let me show you the other one. So very interesting HOFF shoes. They're brand new, so I cannot give you a lot of feedback, but the feedback from consumers and the things that I heard about the brand are quite positive, and that's quite expected considering the high price of these shoes. These can be found in some stores for the price of over $100, which is quite a lot, to be honest. And the other reason, let me see what did it say inside. It says Santa Barbara, so HOFF Santa Barbara. I don't know if that's the model or something related to HOFF. I'm not familiar in the history. If you are aware, please drop me comment below. I'll be happy to hear about the story of HOFF Santa Barbara. And the reason I have this New Balance here is that it is direct competitor, and this shoe has already been worn for quite some time, and I have a lot of positive feedback about this shoe, which also comes with a price tag of around $110. Yeah, that's quite a lot for a sneaker, but it is what it is. Everything is getting expensive these days, so I'm gonna share a full review of this New Balance women's shoe very soon. A very quality made, well made shoe, and the HOFF will need some time before I give you first-hand review from this shoe. It is looking great, as you can see. If you already have some experience with this brand, please drop me a comment. I'll be happy to hear from you. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe. Check my other videos, a lot of shoe reviews there, and I will see you later.